All right, friends, welcome to another unboxing. Found it on Amazon, so pretty much everything I unbox is from Amazon or Walmart, and this is no exception. This is an electronic candle lighter. It uses an electric arc to light candles or whatever. It's windproof, flameless, USB rechargeable lighter. The safe button for home and kitchen. So let's check this thing out. This runs about $11.99 on Amazon, so I guess I shouldn't say about. It is $11.99 on Amazon. First thing, it comes with this USB to, I forget what that one's called. Was that a mini USB-C, micro USB? I don't know, something like that. And then we have the actual little lighter itself. So looks like the charger plugs in the back there. It's kind of a nice little design. You have a switch here in the back as well. Looks like it's an on-off switch. So on, your little blue light comes on there. And then, oh wow, you can see that. It makes a little like flame thing. That's pretty cool. So I do have a candle here, and it's kind of deep down in there. So if you were to use, I guess, like a normal lighter, if you hold a lighter and you're trying to start something on fire, sometimes the flame always wants to go up, right? So it's gonna try to, I mean, not gonna try. The fire's not gonna try to burn you, but I mean, it might burn you because that's where the heat rises, right? So we can just reach this in here and kind of light it. Oh wow. And there we go. It just takes a little bit and it lights right up. So obviously if it's windy, the wind's not going to blow this thing out here. Can't. I blew it out with my mask on, so it was smoke. Okay. So that's kind of neat. Obviously, you know, if you have a box of matches or something else, this would be a nice little camping tool. I believe, I don't know if it's waterproof or not, but you keep it in a little bag or a Ziploc bag or something, and you pull that out to start a fire. It'd be a lot easier than, you know, strike anywhere matches or something like that. So pretty handy, pretty cool device. I'm not sure how long it lasts on a charge, but a lot of times another handy thing to have if you go camping or something like that is one of those like solar battery packs. They have like, I don't know, 50,000 mega amp hours or something like that, so you can power your phone and other things off that. So something like this, usually you have a couple USB ports, but you could plug that in, keep that charged depending on how long it charged. Lasts probably a while, I would think, but handy little device. I'll link it in the description below. You guys can check it out there if you want. I am an Amazon associate, so it helps the channel. If you like my videos I make, please consider hitting the subscribe button. I do appreciate it. I do a lot of Amazon reviews and other stuff. So thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great day, and we will see you next time.